You have to find the values of second part I am doing. A to the power B plus B to the power A. So how will you find the value? So A की value 3 है, B की value -2. So 3 to the power -2 plus B -2 की power 3. It is clear. Base you always write in bracket. Base को हरदम bracket में लिखें. It is clear. How will you make the power positive? So you can write this as 1/3 to the power 2. And this is -2 into -2 into -2 because the power is -2. It is clear. So you can see here it is 1/3 into 3. Now minus minus plus, plus into minus minus, and this plus, so minus plus minus, it is 8. That is 1/9 minus 8. That is 1 minus 72/9 minus 71/9. This is the answer. It is clear? You can write in the mixed fraction also.
Yes, sir.
So 9 7 ja 63, 63 and 8 here 71. This minus 7 whole 8/9. Now one more thing, one more question you can see. Now I will try to finish this today. You can see here question number 30. Question number 30, it is given x to the power 4, y to the power 2, z to the power 3 equals to 49392. Find the values of x, y, z where x, y, z are different positive primes. मतलब different positive prime numbers. So first of all, you will prime factorize it. इसके prime factors करें. That you will show also. ये ऐसा नहीं कि रफ में करेंगे. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 1 9, 2 6 ja 12, 1 13, 2 9 ja 18, 1 2 6 ja. Then 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 1 6 16, 2 8 ja. Then 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, 1 3, so 1 and 4 14, 2 7 ja 2 4 ja.
2 7 ja 14.
Then 2 3 ja 6. 0 2 8 ja 16, 1 17, 2 7 ja. Then perhaps it will go by 3. Because here there is 7, it cannot go by 2. You check by 7. 3. 1 ja 3, 0, 3 2 ja 6, 2 8, 3 9 ja 27. Then 3 3 ja 9, 1 10, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja. Then it will go by 7. As you already know 343, you will get when 7 into 7 into 7. 7 का cube क्या होता है ये? You will get 49. Then 7. Then so if you write it in exponential form, what will you get? 2 is getting 3 times. 2 की power 3 into, no, not 3, 4. 2 की power 4. Then 3 into power 2. And then 7 to the power 3. On comparing bases of bases of same power terms. सेम पावर टर्म्स के बेसिज को, मतलब जिनकी पावर सेम हो उनके बेसिज को कंपेयर करो. हियर x की पावर 4, हियर 2 की पावर 4 मींस x इक्वल्स टू 2. y की पावर 2, 3 की पावर 2, y equals to 3 and z equals to 7. So this is the answer. It's clear? Then you can see question number 32. You can see here. P plus Q whole to the power minus 1 into P की power minus 1 plus Q to the power minus 1 equals to P to the power A, Q to the power B. You have to prove A plus B plus 2 equals to 0. So how will you do this? So what is the procedure here? Here it is P की power A into Q की power B. You simplify this and try to write in this form. Try to write in this form. So see here. Here P plus Q whole की power minus 1. How can you write? You can write 1 upon P plus Q. Then it is 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q equals to P to the power A into Q की power B. Simplify this bracket. When you will simplify, it is PQ. It is PQ. This is Q into 1 Q plus P into 1 P. Q to the power B. Now Q plus P means what? Q plus P equals to Q plus P equals to P plus Q. It is P plus Q. And here it is P plus Q into PQ. So see here, this and this cancel. 1 upon PQ equals to P to the power A, Q to the power B. This you can write P की power minus 1, Q की power minus 1. Now you compare powers of same terms, powers of those terms which are having same base. So on comparing, you can see here, when you will compare those terms whose powers are same, जिनकी powers क्या है same, जिनके bases same, you will compare those powers whose bases are same. Here base is P, here base is P. Power is minus 1, power is A. So A equals to minus 1. Then here base is Q, base is Q. Here power is minus 1 and here it is B. Therefore, B equals to minus 1. So what will be this? A plus B plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. That is minus 2 plus 2 equals to 0. Hence proved. Hence it is proved. Now you can see some more questions here in this side. Question number 34. In some questions, you will get the answer by comparing powers. If bases are same, you compare powers. If powers are same, you compare base. Compare base. See here, what is rule? Base same, compare powers. Power same, compare bases. So you will get. Question number 34, first part, very simple question. 5 to the power 2x plus 3. You have to solve for x. You have to solve this for x. Here it is 5 to the power 2x plus 3. And here it is 1. So 1 we can write in exponential form with 5 as base. 1 को exponential form में लिख सकते हैं with 5 as base. 5 की power 0. As you know that there is the rule, if you raise 0 power over any number, value will become 1. Therefore 2x plus 3. So 2x equals to minus 3. So x equals to minus 3 upon 2. It is minus 3 upon 2. See the second part, that is also very simple. 13 to the power root x equals to 4 to the power 4 minus 3 की power 4 minus 6. 4 to the power 4 means what? 4 will be multiplied how many times? 4 times. You will multiply 4 4 ja 16 into 16 256. 3 to the power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81 minus 6 means 256 में से 87 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें. 256 minus 87. So when you will subtract, what will happen? It will come out 169. Yes, 169. 13 to the power root. एंड 169 जैसे ही तुम्हारे दिमाग में आएगा तुमको पता चल जाएगा इट इज 13 स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज 169? इट इज 13 into 13. All of you remember the square of the numbers from 1 to 30. 1 से 30 तक जितने भी नंबर्स हैं उनके स्क्वायर पता होने चाहिए. एंड at least 1 to 11, 12 up to 13 क्यूब पता होने चाहिए. 1 से 13 तक के नंबर्स के क्यूब. So this can be written as 13 square. So what is root x here? Root x is 2. So on squaring, root x का whole square equals to 2 square. Means x equals to 4. X equals to 4. See the third part of this question. Third part. Square root 3 upon 5 whole to the power x plus 1 equals to 125 upon 27. 125 we can write 5 into 5 into 5 upon 3 into 3 into 3. So what will be in the power form? It is 5 upon 3 whole to the power 3. And square root is there, so you can write this as 3 upon 5 whole की power 1 by 2. This square root 3 upon 5, how can you write in power form? जब स्क्वायर रूट हटाया जाता है तो जो स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर चीज होती है उस पूरे पर 1/2 पावर लगा दी जाती है. What is the procedure? When you will remove the square root, then you raise power 1/2 on whole thing which is inside the square, and then there is this power also, so whole to the power x plus 1. Now power rule will apply, product rule, not power, because there are the successive powers. Successive powers, therefore powers will be multiplied. 3 upon 5 it is 5 upon 3 whole to the power 3. Now if you see here, and on the same concept, question number 35 first part is also based. So if you see here same concept applies in question number 35 first part. If you see here power is 3 upon 5, here power is 5 upon 3. So you make power 3 upon 5 here by making this as negative. Well, how will you write? 3 upon 5 whole की power minus 3, and it is 3 upon 5 whole की power x plus 1 by 2. So on comparing, because what is same, base is same, so powers can be equated. On comparing powers, when you will compare power x plus 1 upon 2 equals to minus 3, x plus 1 equals to minus 6, 2 into 3. So x equals to, it is minus 7. So question number 35 first part also you can do with this help. Now see here, I am doing one more question. All questions are very simple. Nothing is difficult in each question. Question number 35, second part. In 34 second part, there is cube root of 4. 34 second part, there is cube root of 4. What will you write? This cube root 2 square. And when you will remove this third, what will happen? It will be 2 की power 2 by 3. This way you can do. 32 you can write 2 की power 5. So this much hint I have given, you can do. So see the question number second part. 4 की power x minus 1. 0.5 whole की power 1 by 8 whole की power x. So 4 means 2 square whole to the power into, this is 5 upon 10 whole to the power 3 minus 2x. And this is 1 upon 2 की power 3 whole to the power x. Now see here, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Here it is 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So see, 2 to the power, when you will multiply the powers, it will be 2x minus 2 into, what will be this? So 1 पर कोई भी power raise कर दें, there will be no effect, that will remain only 1. But what will happen to this? 2 की power 3 minus 2x. Similarly here, 1 की power x means 1. Whatever power is raised over 1, the value will always remain 1. 1 पर कोई भी power raise करें, value will always remain 1. 2 की power 3. Now here which rule will apply? Bases is same, and this is division, quotient. Therefore, quotient rule will apply. You can write in this way. 2x equals to 2 की power minus 3x. This you take in numerator. Now you will apply the quotient rule. Minus 3 plus 2x. When you will further simplify, what will you get? 2 to the power 4x minus 5 equals to 2 to the power minus 3x. Now you can see here, bases are same, therefore powers can be compared. And when you will compare the power, 4x minus 5 equals to minus 3x, means 7x equals to 5. So x equals to 5 upon 7. It will be 5 upon 7. So I think that it will be clear to you. It's clear.
Yes, correct.
Have you any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Now see here. You now all of you see question number 38, where you have to find the value of x and y, and then you have to find value of this. 38. You can see here, it is given 3 की power 4x equals to 81 की power minus 1 and 10 की power 1 upon y equals to 0.001. You have to find the value of 2 की power minus x into 16 की power y. So first of all, what will you do? You will find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. So see here, 3 to the power 4x. 81 can be written as 3 की power 4 whole की power minus. So it is 3 की power 4x equals to 3 की power minus 4. When powers will multiply, so minus 4. So 4x equals to minus 4. So what is x? This. Then by simplifying this, you find the value of y. So 10 की power 1 upon y. 0.0001. That is 1 upon how many zeros? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be 1 upon 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1 by 10 whole की power 4. Means here 10 की power 1 upon y. And when you will write this 1 upon 10 की power 4 means 10 की power minus 4. Now if you see in both sides, base is 10, here base is 10, base is 10. So 1 upon y equals to minus 4. So 1 upon y, it is equal to minus 4. So what is y? Minus 1 by 4. Now you have to find this value. 2 to the power minus 6x into 16 to the power y. So 2. What is x here? X you have calculated minus 1. So minus 1 into 16 whole की power minus 1 by 4. Minus into minus plus. That is 2 की power 1 into 1 upon 16. That is 2 की power 1 into 1 upon 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. Powers will multiply. Powers will multiply. Therefore, this 4 into 1 by 4, that is 1. So 2 की power 1 upon 2 की power 1 means simply 1. It is simply 1. Similarly, you can see here in the question number 39. You can see here 39. Have you got? Yes. At one place it is 3 की power x plus 1. In the right side 9 की power x minus 2. So 9 you can write as 3 square and simplify this. So you will get the value of x. And after determining the value of x, you find out 2 की power 1 plus x. So now I am going to do question number 40, first part. Question number 40. 3 into 2 की power x plus 1 minus 2 की power x plus 2 plus 5 equals to 0. You have to simplify. So here we can write this as 2 की power x into 2 की power 2. Means I have applied that product rule in the reverse order. Bases are same, so powers will be added. In the reverse order, I have applied product rule. Now let 2 की power x equals to a. a plus 1 minus 4 into a plus 5 equals to 0. So 3a plus 3 minus 4a plus 5 equals to 0. So minus a plus 8. So a equals to 8. And a equals to 8. Therefore, 2 to the power x equals to 8. 8 you can write 2 to the power 3. Therefore, x equals to what? 3. Now in the next part, two equations will form in x and y, and then you will solve simultaneously. You can see here quickly because very less time is left here. So I'm doing 3 to the power x equals to 9 into 3 की power y. So 9 को क्या लिख देंगे? 3 square into 3 की power y. Now bases are same, therefore powers will be added 2 plus y. In left hand side 3 की power x, in right hand side 2 plus y. So x equals to what? 2 plus y. So x minus y equals to 2. This is the first equation. Then 8 into 2 की power y equals to 4 to the power x. 8 you can write 2 to the power 3 into 2 की power y equals to 2 to the power 2 whole की power x. Now bases are same, therefore powers will be added. Now I'm comparing the powers. So 3 plus y equals to 2x. So minus 2x plus y equals to 3. This is the one equation. This is the another equation. You solve simultaneously, you will get the values of x and y. What will be the value of x if you add? So when you will add both the sides of this and this, term of y will cancel. Minus x equals to 5. So x equals to minus 5. Then you substitute here. So minus 5, I have done roughly, you can do systematically. So y equals to minus 7. So